All right, welcome back. Hey, I'm glad you made it over here. All right, like I said before, here's the top 10 things that I do right now. That list of habits, if you want to call it that, that's exactly what works for me right now. And I have a lot of other details in that to give you. You know, far as I got recipes, I have different links that are down here. You got to, copy and paste and put them up there. But the one site there, My Recipes, is a really good site. Has a lot of different varieties of food for you to eat. There's a section in there for weight loss, and then it tells you about different foods to make and the recipes and so forth. What else? As I said before, when you go ahead and give me a call, you can do two things. You can either email me or you can go ahead and give me a call, okay? And then I'll go over the other website I'll email to you as far as the product itself, and you can go there, you can see the product, we'll talk about what you need to begin with. I want to get you set up on a program, and what I mean by that is when I get the information from you, that's when I can start helping you know exactly what you need. I work with everybody on a one-to-one basis. I don't have a set menu for everybody in that. When you call me and talk to me in person and we see what's going on with you and exactly what you need, then that's what I set up. So I have different options in there as far as the product goes of what I think that you need from what you're telling me. Okay, so we'll go over that, and then habits, try to get things changed around for you, and we'll have fun at it. And like I said, we're talking with other folks out there, we're experiencing other things in life. It's not just talking about weight loss, it's just about other things in general and having a good relationship, excuse me, and just enjoying, life and getting healthy and not making it such a struggle. It's been working really well, and like I said, I've hooked up with a lot of people, and I've been having a really good time with them, and it's really nice hearing about their changes in life and how things have been really moving forward for them. Just like, for example, in business and everything else, a lot of people are coming to me telling me as far as work related that things are going a lot better for them. People are looking at them in a different light now, and as far as I've had a few people that have come to me and they're talking about excuse me, they're talking about out looking for work. There's been a few people that are out of work, and they're like, look, it's amazing. I dropped a lot of weight, I got healthy, I started feeling a lot better about myself, I'm a lot more positive. I went out, people saw that I can physically do the work and get around. It showed more confidence. And not only in myself did I have more confidence, they saw it within me. So there's just a lot of different benefits. And I know you already know all this stuff, but it's just really exciting for me when everybody starts coming and telling you all these things, and you're like, I know it's freaking awesome. And it's just kind of the way it goes. So like I said, I really look forward to talking with you so we can get things set up. You made it this far. Let's keep going, because you're ready to do it. Everybody kind of procrastinates and like, well, we'll wait till tomorrow, or we'll wait till next, after Thanksgiving, or whatever the case may be. And start it now. Just get it going, start living, start enjoying it. By the time those times come that you're talking about, you're already in good shape, and then you're just that much further ahead of the game and feeling good and moving on with your life and enjoying things once and for all. And that's kind of where it was with me. Doing this website and writing articles, I've got articles out there and blogs and so forth. It ain't easy doing that, because you got to think of all the stuff to say, and you get busy with your life, and you're out working, and you're like, man, and so trust me, as soon as you just get up and start doing it, it's just so much easier and better, and it just gets better every day. But trust me, I understand all the challenges in that out there. Been there, done it, and everything's still a challenge, don't get me wrong. Life is a job. You got to work at everything. But for us to be unhealthy and trying to get around and then have people judge us and everything else on that, and our appearance and how we feel and our attitude, we can change that. And that's what this is all about. It's changing those habits. It's getting healthy again. And I'm here to show you how to do it, to get the right stuff, to take and put you back on the right track, and not keep you on product for the rest of your life. I want to show you how to take and get healthy. The product's just a bonus. It just gets you started up, it gets you rocking, and then you simply, you move on. But we're here. We're here as a family. We're here to help you, to see you through it the entire way, and that's what works. A lot of companies out there, like I said, they have product that work, but you never hear from them. They're like, just keep buying a product, and their answer is, Oh, you're feeling bad today? Oh, well, you got to buy this particular product. Well, that particular product's $55. And you're like, well, how the hell is $55 going to make me feel better, dude? You got to have a little interaction. And I noticed that on a lot of these programs that I've dealt with in the past, researching and getting all this stuff, nobody talks to you. They all just want to do a little thing and send it on the way. And it's like, as soon as they got your dough, they're down the road. I am not about that. I got a job. I go out painting, I do my thing, and by the way, here in Phoenix, it's like 115 degrees today. Oh, God. I'm hoping this really takes and pans out a lot more because I don't like working in 115 degree weather. I was doing this just because I wanted to help people and everything, and that's my goals. And it's really, I'm having a lot of fun of it, boy. But I got to tell you, if it can get me out of 115 degree weather, I'd be happier. But anyhow, that was another story. I don't know why I went there. So, like I said, I'm going to be there to physically talk with you, go over things, help you out, and be there for you. And that's one of the big gripes that I had is nobody was really there for me. They just wanted to tell me all this stuff and then go on down the road. And I'm not. I'm there for you. Okay? So on that note, like I said, email me. Or physically call. It's a voice recording, so you call, you give a little information, you tell me about what your pros and cons, what your frustrations, everything is, a little bit about yourself, how much weight you want to lose, some of the frustrations you've been having, what got you to this point. Give me a little insight about you, so I know what's up when I go ahead and give you a call back, and then I'm more prepared. Okay, and let's see. I think that's about it. I really look forward to talking to you. All right, take care.